I always like to capture my memories. I wrote because I wanted to remember everything, good and bad, events and times that I had spent. This goes back to when I was a kid, when I had a diary and wrote everything down. Years later, the way of recording my memories changed. I had a camera and I recorded everything with photos. Beautiful moments, people, and nature. When I see my photos, I remember good scenes. And now I'm the creator of moments that I like. Filmmaking gives me the power to make whatever is going on in my mind and show it to other people in my own way. In doing so, the use of lightweight, practical, high-quality equipment always keeps my mind at ease so that I can just think about creating my ideas and make my own videos without being worried.